Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how you can hide your Amazon order history on your phone app. So, you just need to follow my steps carefully so that you can hide your Amazon order history. First, let me tell you that it is not possible to hide order history on your phone app, but there are some alternative methods that you can do it on your phone. First, open the Chrome browser in your device. Then, at the search bar, you have to type for amazon.in. As you can see, I have accessed my account in the Chrome browser. If you haven't logged in your Amazon account in the Chrome browser, then log in your account before moving to the next step. Now, at the top right hand corner, you will see three dots. Click on it. After clicking into it, at the third section, you will see desktop site option. Click into it. As you can see, I have opened my desktop mode in the Chrome browser. Now, zoom in the screen and click on Return an Order option. After clicking into it, as you can see my order history. If you want to hide this order, you just simply need to click on this Archive Order option. Then, scroll down, you will see a yellow box written here Archive Order. Click on it. As you can see, my order history is removed. This was a simple process to hide your orders history on Amazon. I hope this video helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can find more useful tips and tricks daily. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.